Spurs signed Josh Huestis to Exhibit 10 deal. The San Antonio Spurs have found a new man for their roster. According to Michael Scotto of The Athletic and Paul Garcia of Project Spurs, the Spurs have signed former Oklahoma City Thunder forward Josh Huestis to an Exhibit 10 deal. Scotto, the San Antonio Spurs and forward Josh Huestis have agreed to an Exhibit 10 deal, league sources told The Athletic. Garcia, Huestis will bring the Spurs training camp roster back up to 19 players. If he's waived before the regular season, his contract can be converted into a two-way contract. Huestis has been working out with the Spurs for weeks, but he had never been officially signed to a contract. Considering the severe injuries to Dejounte Murray and Lonnie Walker IV, San Antonio desperately needed another body. Murray will likely miss the rest of the season due to a torn ACL, while Walker misses the next 2 months due to a torn meniscus. This is how the Exhibit 10 contracts work in the NBA, via Chris Reichert. Yes. If a standard NBA contract includes an attachment called Exhibit 10, the team has the right to convert the contract to a two-way contract. To be eligible for an Exhibit 10 attachment, a contract must be for 1 season at the minimum salary with no bonuses of any kind. A team can only add the Exhibit 10 attachment if they have their own G League affiliate. This conversion must be done prior to the start of the NBA's regular season. Huestis spent the first 4 years in the Thunder organization, mostly playing in their G League affiliate, the Oklahoma City Thunder Blue. However, after appearing in just 7 games during the first 3 seasons of his career with the Thunder, he finally broke onto the main roster in 2017-18. The 6'7" forward appeared in 69 games and started 10 of them while playing a defensive stopper role in the rotation, averaging 14.2 minutes. As per game, you may be wondering why, as a first-round draft choice, Huestis had a hard time breaking into the NBA until his 4th season. Amir Tyree of Clutch Points explained that in detail. Huestis was selected with the No. 29 overall pick out of Stanford in the 2014 NBA draft. Even though he was selected as a first-rounder by the Thunder, the team convinced him to forego signing his rookie contract to sign a deal with their D-League affiliate, the Oklahoma City Blue. This made him the league's first domestic draft and stash player. This strategy is typically used on international players who are still developing or want to wait a few years before coming to the NBA. The point of being a first-round draft pick is to get guaranteed money through a rookie contract. Second-round contracts are not guaranteed. While Huestis missed out on this opportunity, he bided his time and joined the Thunder in 2015. Quote, the 26-year-old Huestis holds career averages of 2.5 points and 2.4 rebounds per game in 76 appearances and 10 starts in 14.1 minutes per game.